Hello everybody, it's Brent with Whiskey 7 Backroads, and today we're going to take the EarthCruiser out for a little spin and show you the emergency communication system. AKA ham radio. You're thinking you don't have to have a pocket protector and be 80 years old to do ham radio. We're going to make this easy for everybody. We're going to take this thing out for a spin, set up out in the desert, and show you what ham radio is all about and how we use it in the EarthCruiser. So come on along. Thanks for stopping by the channel today. Take a look around, and if you like what we're doing with our videos, please consider subscribing and hitting the notify button to be notified when new videos come out. Me and my wife Cheryl and our two dogs Rusty and Riley take our EarthCruiser out and explore really cool back roads in the western United States. So let's get going and get out into the desert. Road right here. There's an old abandoned mine right there. I don't know if you can see it. And then here is the view to the northeast. So we're kind of up on this grade. Nobody up here today, which is odd. Usually a lot of people around here. I'm going to set up the antenna. So what I have on the back here, this is a Scorpion antenna. It is a screwdriver antenna, and I'll show you a close-up of it when I move it. But this shaft right here goes up. There's a wire inside there. That wire makes the antenna either longer or shorter. I'm going to throw my whip on top. I have two of them. I have an extension and I have a regular one. I'm going to throw just the regular one up there today, and just to make it easier. I'm going to videotape what I make it short, but I'm going to speed up the video of me setting that up. So hang on, that's coming up next. I have an app called Repeater Book, and on here, I don't know if you can see this or not. If not, I'll close in on it. But I have all the repeaters that are close. And if I hit this one, you notice where it switched to my radio. As I switch my repeaters, I'm just going to hit one on there. It'll switch frequency. So I'm touching my phone right now, changing the frequency. So what's nice about this is when I'm going down the road, I don't have to look up the repeaters. I can just, as I come into the next town, I can just hit on it and it changes it automatically. So it's Bluetooth. It's called Blue Cat. I'll put the link down in the description, but it works real good when you're out on the road. With this antenna and this radio, I gotta check the SWR and get the antenna in the right spot, which is what this does. This is an Amatron 102, and what happens is I can move that antenna up and make it higher or longer, or I can make it go down. And as I do that, you'll hear the frequency increase. So we're getting into our resonant frequencies.
I was just totally guessing. I remember the Alpha Tango. Oh, I remember. All right, you take care too. Anybody else, Sal? Mobile Corvo Kilo Theater.
Whiskey 7 Bravo Romeo Mobile.
Whiskey 7 Bravo Romeo Mobile. Mobile safe out there.
All right, thanks for picking me up.
There, picked up. You guys are making this now. All right, anybody else? Mobile Corvo Kilo Theater.
73, thanks for being here. Kilo Echo 6 Delta Yankee Charlie on limited time. This is A6SC. Do we have any more limited time check-in?
Whiskey 7 Bravo Romeo Mobile.
Whiskey 7 Bravo Romeo Mobile. Good to hear you. Round table or limited time?
Limited time. Just actually doing a radio check and a YouTube video on ham operating mobile. Over.
Outstanding. Good enough. Well, anyway, you're booming into Tehachapi. Your signal strength is S8, peaking to S9. This is the Jefferson Noon Net. My call is Alpha Alpha 6 Sierra Charlie. We start this every day at 12 o'clock Pacific. You're always welcome to come back, and best success with your YouTube video on ham radio. Over.
All right, I appreciate it. Yeah, I will be back. W7 Bravo Romeo. Thanks for picking me up.
You're very welcome. Could I please have your first name?
First name's Brent. Bravo Romeo Echo November Tango. Over.
Okay, thank you. And you pronounce it Brent, is that right?
Yeah, Brent, unless I've been drinking.
Okay, I appreciate your sense of humor. All right, thank you for being here, and come back when you can.
All right, thanks a lot. W7BR, I'll be clear.
Okay, I can see the suffix is the first two letters in your name. That's cool. Additional limited time check-ins for the Jefferson
So
Noon
that's
Net.
it. That's Tehachapi.
Do we have any more limited time check-ins? Visitors are welcome.
See what else we get out here.
America. It's the last day of the special event, and I'd like to make a few more cues. Whiskey Zero Alpha. Any station anywhere. CQ, CQ, CQ.
Whiskey 7 Bravo Romeo Mobile.
Whiskey 7 Bravo Romeo Mobile. 59 Iowa. My name is Mike. Over.
Copy the 59 Iowa. Copy the 59 Iowa. Sorry, there's a quad going next to me. I'm mobile stationary. Mobile stationary. I am in Buckeye, Arizona. And my name's Brent. Bravo Romeo Echo November Tango. Over.
Okay, Brent, you are in the log with Whiskey Zero America. I've got until Zero Zulu to use this call. We have the intention of the special event was to train our new hams on HF. Over.
Oh, good. Well, I've got a YouTube video going on with demoing a Scorpion antenna with the Nikon 7000. So I've got it recording right now. Over.
Oh, that sounds like a good one. I'll go look that up. Over.
Yeah, it's Whiskey 7 Backroads. Play on my call sign. I got a YouTube channel, Whiskey 7 Backroads, and I'm going to try to get it up here. Just wanted to put a video out on my mobile setup with my Scorpion antenna and my 7000. Over.
Roger, Roger. I run a mobile as well. My own call is an 085 Kilo Bravo, and I decided I don't need 80 and 40 because I don't get on at night in the mobile. 10, 15, and 17 have been crappy, so I made a 20-meter mono bander out of 3/4-inch copper pipe. Over.
Nice. Yeah, that's what's cool about the hobby is all the different ways that you can get on to, and some things are for what you like to do and some things not, right? So find something that works for you and then you get the homebrew.
Yeah, I'm kind of a builder, so I really enjoyed that project. It's got a big loading coil about halfway up. The mast is 5 foot and the stinger is about 3 foot, and then the coil takes up the rest. Over.
Roger, Roger. Yeah. Well, I've got a Chameleon MPOS that I do some soda work with, and then I take the extension on that. I got a quick disconnect on the extension. I put it on the Scorpion, and then I put a cap hat on the top. So my cap hat's floating in the wind above my EarthCruiser at about 20 feet. Over.
Oh, that sounds cool. Do you want to picture that on your YouTube as well?
Roger, Roger. And I also have it on my QRZ page, Whiskey 7 Bravo Romeo. But this will be up probably in the next couple of days. It's going to be a real thorough Scorpion review. If I can get my camera to, I'm good at ham radio. I'm not so good at the camera and video. Over.
We are. Yeah, I have the same problem here. It's great talking to you, Brent, and I'm sure we'll work again. You are in the log with Whiskey Zero America. Over.
Roger, Roger. All right, thanks for picking me up. Appreciate it. You have fun out there with the special call sign. W7 Bravo Romeo. Back to you.
W7 Back Road. I'll remember that. My favorite phonetics for my home call is Norway 5 Kentucky Bourbon. Over.
All right, so that was Iowa. That gives you a real good idea what's going on out there. That was 20 meters. I just turned it down. So, all right, I think that is good on that. So again, ICOM 7000. This is a UHF, VHF, HF rig. They call them rigs, but in my EarthCruiser rig, so don't get confused with that. But it's a radio, ham radio, mobile ham radio. It's actually mounted underneath where the camera's sitting right now, and this is just an extension with the head units that I can control. So that was a really awesome example of what happens when people are just out there calling CQ. CQ is just want to talk to somebody. I could sit here and call CQ and somebody might answer me. That was neat to talk to that guy. So I wanted to kind of explain how I got into ham radio. I was looking for some kind of emergency communications for the EarthCruiser, and I could have went with a satellite phone. I could have went with like a Garmin texting device, a Spot, or ham radio. And I went into ham radio just because I thought it would be a little bit of a challenge. I thought it would go along with what I do in the backcountry. Kind of ham radio goes along with being remote. And what I didn't realize about it is I've been a ham for about 2 years. I have found some really, really neat friends, a lot of really good people that I enjoy hanging out with. I met on the radio, and I know it sounds weird, but it's true. I met a really good friend of mine that took me to Baja, and we had a great time down there. I consider them good friends. A bunch of good friends in Olympia, Oregon, all over the place. A couple of my really good ham friends went on the video that I'll put it up here, that were on the video when we went to Alstrom Point, and you can see us set up there. So that's the setup. If you guys have any questions on anything, please let me know. We're trying to get the word out to other people who don't know about us. So if you like the videos that we're putting out, please hit the like button down below, subscribe, hit the bell, be notified, tell your friends, family. We'd like to have some more subscribers. So thanks for watching. This is Brent from Whiskey 7 Bravo Romeo, or W7 Backroads. Whiskey 7 Bravo Romeo.
Go ahead, 7 SKD.
I just wanted to get a radio check. I met my antenna coming out of the hills there, so it sounds like I'm getting to the repeater okay.
ESQ, no problem.